I am the 2019 Courageous Achievement Award winner. Stay tuned to hear my story.
2019 Sherando High School graduate Isaiah Taylor overcame many obstacles on his way to obtaining his diploma.
I think I've overcome a lot, mainly just keeping up with schoolwork, coping emotionally with the hardships we've been through. I was able to keep up with my schoolwork and just also manage football.
During his first 2 years at Sherando, Isaiah and his family were homeless and lived at the Salvation Army shelter.
I can't even imagine really what it was like to be Isaiah. Being in a place that wasn't your own, nothing that you could call your own but your personal belongings.
Since the first 2 years of high school, I was homeless. The Salvation Army, they don't have internet, so every night would be kind of a struggle to get my schoolwork done.
Despite the challenges he faced, Isaiah persevered. He stayed after school, found places in the community where he could access the internet, and used time before classes each day to complete his work. Isaiah also benefited from supports provided by Sherando's staff and a personal desire to go to college.
The staff here are amazing. I mean, Isaiah's had awesome teachers, very supportive. I don't think I've not known any of his teachers to not go that extra mile just to get him whatever it is that he needs to, succeed and be able to manage not having all accommodations like internet and so on.
For the homework portion, the teachers really tried to make it just paper and pencil, give you notes and your worksheet. But then sometimes when you had to use an online textbook, they give me a USB port and I'd be able to download the book from on the computer so I can view it offline. And then I guess guidance, I don't know who provides it, but they give you bags of food to take back home. Since homeless comes with financial problems, so I don't know. I just knew in the inside that to gain an income in your future that is that you can sustain a family with and provide for your family, you just need to be able to get good grades and be able to further your education in college.
I just wanted him to be better than what his parents are. I just want him to be able to be anything that he wants to be without anything that's going to hold him back.
In recognition of his courage, Isaiah was named the winner of the Andrew Mullins Courageous Achievement Award at the 2019 Allstate Foundation Virginia High School League Achievement Awards and will head off to college to study and play football this fall.
You always love your kids, but when I looked at him, I was like, wow, he's grown up to be a great young man, and I just can't wait to see what the future holds for him.
I was going to go to St. Vincent College. It's in Latrobe, Pennsylvania. I was just gonna get my degree in biology there and then just see where life takes me from there. And I was trying to become a physical therapist. So I know you're supposed to major in a health-related field and then go into a graduate school. Don't let your situation define who you will become in the future. Just have a goal in mind and just stick to it.
Everything that he has accomplished, he's earned, and it's not been really handed to him. He's worked really hard to stay as physically fit as possible. He's just overall a great kid.